Welcome to Textile Tip Zone. Today's topic is men's clothing measurement. Men's clothing measurement guide is today's topic. There are some measurements. Step number 1, neck measurement. Wrap the tape around the neck where the collar sits. Leave space for one finger. Number 2, shoulder width. Measure from one shoulder bone to the other. Add 1 to 2 inches for S. For chest measurement. Chest measurement, measure around the fullest part of the chest. Waist measurement, measure around the narrowest part navel, usually above. 6. Sleeve length, measure from shoulder to wrist, arm slightly bent. Number 7, armhole, wrap tape around your where the arm meets the shoulder. Number 8, shirt or kurta length, measure from shoulder down to the desired length. Number 9, wrist size, wrap the tape around the wrist bone, leave some room for comfort. Number 10, neck depth, measure from the base of the neck down to the desired neck line depth. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel.